Hey Hebrew fans, this is Todd. So I finally got this Loyal Subjects Orko, and let's do some comparisons with him. I also got at the same time this Battle Armor He-Man as well, which I don't know, I could or could not use him. I was tempted to do a head swap on him, but I actually like my other head better. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with. I might just open him up and just compare him the way he is. I do like that his boots are darker. That's kind of a fun feature. But I really wasn't too keen in getting him, but I really wanted to get Orko, so I got him as a 2-pack from YouTube, or eBay. So let's go ahead and open this up and do some comparison. Alright, there he is. He is very small, very little. But the question is he too little? Hopefully I just didn't break. I think it did just, nope, it goes in there. Cool. Whew. Thought I just snapped it. It's like, man, that was quick. So there he is. There's our little Orko. And let's compare him. So first of all, this is the one from Super 7 we had that's made for the 5.5-inch size figures. Something like this size right here. Now when he got this one from Super 7, it was based off of the one from the 80s, so it's comparable in size. Now you can see this thing's huge. I mean, it goes up to He-Man, a little past his waist to the top of his point of his hat. Now in order to make him stand higher, I did make this cool little stand for him, and you can get these stands on my Shapeways store, and that way now he can actually be the right height, eye-to-eye level with the 5.5-inch figures, and that was kind of my plan when I made this cool little stand. But then we have the Origins, not Origins yet, then we have the Classics figure, and we have this Orko here, which seems to be a little bit better for size, because he's a little smaller like he probably should be by the cartoon. So what I did was I went ahead and took a snapshot of the cartoon so you'd have that for reference. There it is right there. I'm going to turn this light off so you guys can see better. And you can see how small Orko is right here in this little section here. In this picture here, he is only, what is that? 16.6 millimeters high. So let me make a note of that. So 16.6, and that is how high Orko is. And let's go ahead and start our equation on this. And Prince Adam is, let's see, he is 48.5. So let's put that over here. 48.5. And then let's check our Origins He-Man and see how tall he is. And he is 148.1. 148.1. All right. There we have our equation. So we can use this now to figure out how tall Orko should be in the Origins world. So let's go ahead and do some math on this. So 16.6 times 148.1.
It's 2,458.46.
Divided by 48.5.
It's about 50.6898.
So 50.6898. 50.68. Well, since it's 689, we'll make it 69. So we're looking for Orko to be 50.69 millimeters in order to be the right height for Origins. So let's go ahead and do some checking here. And let's see how tall this Orko is. Let's see if he's a good fit for Origins. He's just about right on there. This is the right size for Orko to be for Origins. How cool is that? It's 50.8 and we're looking for 50.69. You really can't get much closer than that. So this is the right size for Orko per the cartoon. Now, of course, the stand's a little short, so I have to take and create a new stand that goes up higher. So I'll have to make something for that. But someone asked me if he was the right size, and sure enough, he is the right size. So there you go. So I'm curious when the Origins ones come out, how big he'll be in comparison to the cartoon. Now, if you did want to use this with Classics, here we have our Classics. Of course, Classics is much bigger, so it kind of fits a little better. I'm still guessing this Orko is probably still too big for this size. But you could use this Orko right here to make Yuckers. Because notice how much smaller Yuckers is than Orko, and that'd be a pretty good fit. And if you're going to make a custom Yuckers out of this, let's see if his hat's removable. It feels like it is. Come on, hat. Oh, I probably should get some heat to take it off so I don't ruin it. Oh, there we go. And now it needs a baseball cap to go on there. And I just happen to have one because of this figure here. Let's see. Oh, I'd have to cut out a little spot for his ears, for his hat. Or you know what? I just noticed the custom doesn't have any ears on the picture. So I'd have to take and literally cut his ears off, paint this hat orange, and then stick that on there, and then clean this off with some kind of chemical and put a Y on there. And you'd have a little Yuckers just for your Classics. And that'd be cool. Because then you'd have Driella, you would have Yuckers, you would have Uncle Montag, or whatever his name is. I forget his name now. I'm sure someone will correct me really quick. And then you could have the whole gang for your Classics. Then you'd have your little Yuckers to go along with it. So I might turn mine into a Yuckers. I'll wait till the Orko comes out that comes with Origins to see. But that's kind of what I'm thinking. This might become Yuckers in the near future. Anyway, let's see how he compares next to He-Man. Just because that's what he's made for. Guess I should put his hat back on. Hats? We don't need no stinking hats. Okay, let's stick this. I do suggest not taking your hat off on your Orko. It is a pain to put back on. And you can see, of course, he's monstrous next to the He-Man. But, cool. Anyway, that's all I have because someone asked me and I thought, you know what? I am going to research that and find out if that Orko is actually available. And thanks to doing the comparison study from the authentic cells that I pulled off online, I was able to do a true measurement. Now, Orko in the cartoon does change size and shape. If you watch one scene to another, some scenes he's stretched out really long, so it's not an exact measurement. But I think, for the most part, this Orko does fit really good with Origins, according to our math. And I think that's just about right on. Oh, don't forget, tonight we have our class, and we're going to make that 2000X Origins He-Man from these figures here. And then also, I have the figures on sale still on my eBay. I'll put the link in the bottom that we made last week. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys tonight for those that come to the class. And I guess I could open him while we're waiting. Oh, scoot all aside. Let's take a look at this figure. What the heck? Since we got him here. I am He-Man. Oh, wow. He comes with a whole assortment of weapons. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Because I will definitely use these with him. Because I have stand-in battle axe now. Now I can have a solid silver one. Oh, that's cool. Sorry, Battle Armor He-Man. You're going to lose your weapons to regular He-Man. You know what? I almost like the darker orange cuffs, too. I might do some swapping of some other pieces. Anyway, I'll see what I do. I might do some fun swapping these parts around. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you next time. See you tonight for those that are coming to the class. And like, subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe see if you can find yourself a small little mini Orko that fits good with Origins. Of course, we'll see what Mattel gives us for the Origins ones. Thanks for watching. Bye now.